Hello and good morning. I'm doing this quick little impromptu video. I am in the middle of working on two videos at the same time right now, but yesterday in my P.O. box, I received two very special packages. So this is sort of a happy mail, but mostly it's just a thank you to everyone. You all, even if I don't get packages, the comments, the absolutely lovely supporting comments I receive from all of you is so much. It's the most encouraging thing, and it tells me, keep going. This is it, girl. Have fun with it. Okay, I just want to show off, first of all, yes, I finally got my prescription lenses in. I got them in yesterday. I have a second pair coming because I didn't know I could buy frames like on Amazon and take them over to the optometrist and have them at a more affordable rate, put lenses in. So I do have these, which are quite thick framed, which I like. And then I have another pair for whenever I'm not quite in the mood. You know, it's you can call it vanity, but I'm not always gonna be in the mood, or it may not go with an outfit I'm choosing to wear, to have the thick, dark, hot pink frames. So I did purchase on Amazon a more discreet pair of frames where they're half frames and they just have a little color on top, which is black. Very thin, and these have the plastic nose. That was recommended by the optometrist because I'm a first-time glasses wearer, but my second set that should be in by the end of this week have the little nose pad. So overall, they're just very light, a little less visible while still being visible. You'll see, I'll show those off too. So, let's see here, just a moment. I received two packages, and I did read this whole letter, and I love it. Okay, so this first box is from Jilly, and melt my heart whenever I saw that it said, box full of friendship. I dropped everything. It says to open it. This side, it's the sweetest thing. It's covered in little stickers of gnomes and bees. And I read this entire extremely sweet typed out letter. It was incredibly encouraging. And as she said here, I'm going to read this part off here, some quotes that she has learned from the channel that she really likes. And here we go. Crochet is forgiving. These are things I have said on the channel. Crochet is forgiving. You can fudge it if you need to. That's so true. Crochet is supposed to be fun and not hard work. It is. It's supposed to be fun, you know. It's hard work is making a building. Fun, relaxing, being creative is crocheting something, knitting something. I'm going to do it my way. I often do say that. Another one is, since I'm going to be the one to wear it, I want to make it how I want to. And those are just a few examples. If I can throw in some honorable mentions, we have Make It Work. And as of late, my most recent favorite that gets requoted is, I don't share my lipsticks and I don't share my crochet needles. Thank you so much for the lovely letter and for the Mother's Day card. Thank you so much. And she sent just a box of some various yarns. You know, I love the variegated. This white yarn here, I haven't checked out. And also a pattern. I love this. It is a whole daggum pattern. Look at that. I do have vintage dolls because I was going to get into making vintage dolls in the channel. I made one doll, which, by the way, I still have that one from the viewer, and I'm terrible. I have this sitting right here. I need to put, I'll cover that up. I need to put her picture under the doll's dress because this was made by her mother, and that's a picture of her with her mother, and I absolutely treasure that. Let's get a feel for this. This is, I think it's 100% polyester. So as far as the glasses go, everything looks kind of funny a little bit, but the lady at the iPlace said that happens. That will take a few days. Ooh, this is soft. This is soft. Very soft. It is squirrel yarn. That is interesting. Everything is written in I can only assume a Chinese language. Anyways, so I can't really read it, but it's very soft. It's actually quite soft. It doesn't look soft, but it actually is. This is so sweet. And a box full of friendship. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all know how to melt me. Melt my whole heart. And then, of course, because I've been struggling with my eyesight, which I now... Oh, I also have some readers that I just bought over the counter. They're not very, very strong. So I didn't feel the need to, you know, since I don't have any insurance, I pay for everything cash. And I didn't think that it was super important to buy prescription readers. That's a lot for something that I can easily get over the counter. I've been using these, but where's my other ones? Oh, right here. I just got these in from Amazon yesterday, and these have the blue light filter on them. And they're supposed to be a little more anti-glare. So I was using these last night on one of the videos I'm currently working on. I'm almost done. And I think these are cute. Clearly I like big frames, obviously. I don't know why. And here's the readers I was using, and these ones, even though they're both the same strength, these ones seem stronger than these ones. These ones were $20. These ones are 2-pack for $10.99. Here's the other ones, part of that 2-pack for $10.99. So clear. I don't know. I don't know how I look in other people's opinions, how I look. But I know for some reason, I seem to be drawn to this Lisa Loeb style of glasses. And if you don't know who Lisa Loeb is, look in the description box down below. You're going to find a music video from the 90s. You might even like the song. It's not like a heavy metal or anything like that. It's nothing that's jarring. It's a very subtle song. It's sort of like what you would have heard in a coffee shop in Seattle, you know, circa 1995. But I seem to like this Lisa Loeb look. But as soon as I get my other, now these are my regulars for my astigmatism. And it's obvious this is the eye that's really bad. So anyway, when I get my other frames in, I'll pop on and show those off to you as well. I really like them a lot. I got them very affordable on Amazon, and I didn't realize I could do that. Buy your own affordable frames and just take them up there. That's pretty cool. Some places don't let you do that. Like, they'll let you, but then they're going to charge you like $50 or $60 anyway. Okay, the next package I got was an Amazon package from Brooke. And it is about my eyes, and it is the sweetest thing ever. I'll read you one of the notes. So unbelievably sweet. You know, I was struggling. We were doing one of our mystery videos with beads. And she said here, enjoy your gift. Don't give up on your crochet beading. You got this. Remember, you once didn't know how to crochet with thread. So, would you look at what she got me? Thank you so much, Brooke. This is so unbelievably thoughtful. Look at that right there. I mean, ma'am. Can you see me? And it has lights, and this is unbelievably thoughtful. Along with that, she sent a pocket scale. I'm assuming that is so that I can weigh out my beads in grams, because the pattern said we needed so many beads, or I said I don't know how many beads goes in 50 grams. So now I have a very, very helpful pocket scale. And these I'm not really sure what to use for. I think they're for my crochet scrapbook. So, because these are like scrapbook decorations, they're little half pearls, and I love them. They're so pretty. If they weren't meant for me, if you bought them for yourself, but they got sent in, this has happened before, they got sent to me with the gift order, let me know. I will mail these to you, okay? But if they were meant for me, I think they're for the crochet scrapbook, and I love them. So that's it. That's really all I have to cover. I am always blown away by the generosity of all of your kind words. When you like videos, when you do things like this, send me things, letters and gifts. I don't feel worthy of these things. And, you know, I'm sure that's a kind of a cliche thing to say, but the reality is, if you got on YouTube and all of a sudden people were telling you the nicest things, and on occasion they send you things, you don't feel worthy. You're like, I'm just me. I'm no one special, but you guys treat me so special. And my whole night was lifted last night when I got to the P.O. box and saw this. And I opened these things up and I saw that it said box full of friendship, and the unbelievably thoughtfulness of a gift like this to cover a genuine need. It lifted my whole evening. It has lifted my whole day to the point where I just woke up. Hair is a funk. It literally is a funk. This isn't how I normally, you know, it's like sticking up a little bit. But fortunately it's short enough that it looks like it's a pretty cool style. This is going to lift my whole day. I am going to finish the tutorial I'm currently working on with a whole smile on my face. Like, you guys are too much. You really make me feel like special. You really make me feel special. I'm gonna invoke my Shelly whatever moment, and you like me. You really like me. Her name isn't Shelly. Why is it when the camera is rolling, I can't think of anything intelligent to say, nor can I deliver it intelligently? Oh, what is her name from Smokey and the Bandit? You guys leave her name down below in the comments. What is her name? What is her name? You like me? You really like me? I can't remember. Okay, guys, I love you so, so much, and I will see you in tomorrow or the next day with a new video, but it is a dedicated tutorial for my birthday. It's my birthday pattern. Okay, see you then. Bye.